Earlier this week, Apple announced that they'd be releasing a new product called the Mac Studio. It is designed to be for professionals who need a little bit more computing power to get up and running. Now, I actually think this is a really good opportunity to start making money with affiliate marketing. So in this video, I am going to show you a few different ways that you can start making some passive income with this new product. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. All right, so as you see on the screen here, there's this brand new product called the Mac Studio. It is brand new to the market. It's never been seen before, really. It's never been spoken of before. And I think this is a really cool opportunity for people that want to make money online. And there's going to be a variety of ways to do it. The first thing that I want to show you, and this speaks to a larger part about making money online. If you can jump on something that's trending or something that's new to the market, this is going to be a really good opportunity for you to make money. So as you can see, as of just a few months ago, nobody was really talking about the Mac Studio, but now it kind of just spiked, just like as you can see here, because it's a brand new product. People are going to be making pre-orders starting, I think, tomorrow, and they're going to have a bunch of questions, and that's where you come in as a marketer. So first thing we want to do is we want to jump over to YouTube, and we're just going to type in Mac Studio, and you're going to notice there are hundreds of thousands of views, and where there are hundreds of thousands of views, there is money to be made. So I just typed in Mac Studio, as you can see on the screen here. New Mac Studio, 2.2 million views, 54,000 views, 111,000 views. You know what's interesting about some of these is a lot of this is speculation, stuff that they're not really, they don't know. It's based off of product specs. It's based off of it's based off of blog posts. But there, in my opinion, there are tons of opportunities, not only now, but going forward into the future. So first thing that we want to do, we see that there is a lot of interest in the Mac Studio. What we can do is simply hit the space bar and we can start talking about things like Mac Studio unboxing, just like this. And I'm sure I'm going to get to in just a minute how you can make money. But as you can see here, people are simply looking up all sorts of stuff when it comes to Mac Studio. There's unboxings. There's going to be comparison videos. So if we do Mac Studio versus, they're going to be comparing the Mac Mini, the Mac Pro. They're going to be comparing other types of maybe some Microsoft products or like ASICs or whatever else is out there. But you can see, once again, there are hundreds of thousands of views. And this is a perfect opportunity for someone that's brand new, that maybe doesn't have attraction and following. If you jump on YouTube and you start creating content, you're going to get recommended, because YouTube's goal is to keep their users on YouTube, and they're going to recommend your content alongside some of these other people that have hundreds of thousands of views. So if we look at this, we see here that Matt Talks Tech has 339,000 subscribers, but then if we scroll down just a little bit, we see that this is only 26,000 subscribers. So this is a relatively small channel when you look at some of the comparisons. Look at this one right here, 3.2 million subscribers from The Verge, is ranking like 4th or 5th. So the things that you want to think about is people are going to want to see unboxing videos. They're going to want to see what they get, what's included. They're going to want to see comparison videos. So Mac Studio, we could do Apple Mac Studio or Mac Studio versus, as you can see on the screen, Mac Mini and some of the other competitors. Another thing that's going to be really interesting and really powerful, and this can be a great way to start getting traction, is answering basic questions like how to restart, for example, how to restart Mac Studio. Now, that question probably isn't going to have a lot of traction just yet because no one has it in their hands, but that's a question that people are asking. Now, if we replace how to restart Mac Studio with how to restart Apple iPhone, so if we do iPhone like this, you can see that people are asking these questions, and this is going to be a perfect opportunity. So again, the hardest thing for affiliate marketers to get is to get traffic, get dedicated traffic, or if you want to make money online in general, the hardest thing to get is dedicated traffic. And we know what these people are interested in. They're interested in the Mac Studio. There isn't a ton of content on the internet with regards to Mac Studio, but there's a ton of people. As you can see, there's millions of views of people that are interested in the Mac Studio. They want to know what it is, what it's about, how to use it, and so on. And this is going to be, again, your opportunity, your vehicle. So again, you can do this, and this is what's interesting. You can do this with a YouTube channel. You could start a blog. Now, if we jumped over to Ahrefs, you're going to see that there isn't a ton of competition or traffic with regards to Mac Studio. And again, this is going to be your opportunity. So you could start a blog talking about all things regarding the Mac Studio. So I'm just going to drag this over here. I'm going to put this up just like this, and we can type in under the Keywords Explorer Mac Studio, and you're not going to see a lot of stuff that is on target. As you can see, it's easy because no one knew about it just yet. So as time goes on, there are going to be more and more people entering the market. Look at, none of these, or really few of these, actually are actually on point at all. So you could start a blog and write and answer questions with regards to Mac Studio. You could actually start a Facebook group where you provide tips and tricks and troubleshooting guides for the Mac Studio. So think about this. These are the different types of content that you can create. You can do a Mac Studio review. So where's my mouse go? There we go. So we could come over here to YouTube or a blog or even a Facebook group, and we could do a Mac Studio review, just like that. And people are going to be looking up all sorts of reviews. Now, how can they review this? They can't until they buy it. But look at this. Mac Studio, watch this before you buy. 41,000 views. Marcus, who is a pretty big YouTuber in the tech space, 2.2 million views. But none of these are on point and are on target. Now, the biggest question always is, hey, I don't have the product. How can I review it? What you can do is you can summarize and synthesize. You can put together 10 or 15 different blog posts and articles that you've read. You can actually take a look at user reviews and say, here's what people are saying. Then you can include some B-roll of the product, which I'll do and I'll show you in just a second. You can include some B-roll of the product and talk about your opinions, your thoughts. You can compare it and contrast it to other Mac products or other Apple products. You can compare it to its competitors. So we've got reviews, we've got first impressions. So if we come back up here and we do Mac Studio first impressions, just like this, there are going to be at least 3 million views in this area. Look at only 19,000 subscribers, 811 views from 17 hours ago. So this is probably going to go viral. He has a tiny channel, 221,000 subscribers. He's actually outranking a larger channel. Look at this. You can see there are tons of opportunities, and you can make money in a few different ways. You could make money. I'm going to get to some other ways in just a moment, but you can make money with the YouTube Partner Program. So if you have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, you can make money with the YouTube Partner Program. You could also make money potentially with being an affiliate for not Apple itself, but for Amazon. You could actually recommend the product, link it over from Amazon, the Amazon Affiliate Network. It's called Amazon Associates. And when people click on the product and buy it, that's another way. So we already talked about Amazon unboxing. We already talked about Mac Studio unboxing. We also talked about Mac Studio Versus, but here's a good one, a very good one. Best accessories for Mac. So people are going to buy this Mac Studio, and they're going to need all sorts of stuff. They're going to want keyboards, microphones, maybe a special webcam. They're going to want USB-C hubs. And to prove that this works, we can type in best USB-C hub. And instead of typing in Mac Studio, we can type in Mac M1 MacBook Air, just like this. And you can see, once again, there are hundreds of thousands of views to be had. So we can, instead of just doing best USB-C hub, we could do best underscore and let Google figure this, or let YouTube figure this out for us. So best underscore for M1 MacBook Air, and you can see best games, best accessories, best monitor, best apps, budget accessories, and we can simply create content, go grab affiliate links from Amazon or Best Buy or Newegg or wherever it may be, Target, and put them in the description of your videos, of your blog posts, of, maybe even if you start a Facebook group, you can do that as well. But you can see there's opportunity because this product is brand new and there isn't a lot of content on the internet. It's something that's going to be highly searched globally, and there's not a lot of content already there. And so this is going to be your golden opportunity to start making money. Full disclosure, I think that this video is probably going to go viral because, once again, it's going to get lumped in with the people that are interested in Mac Studio, and people that are interested in making money. So my goal with this video, if we're being honest, is to get recommended alongside with people that are interested in learning more about the Mac Studio and people that are interested in making money online. So if we do a best underscore for, we'll do Mac Studio. Right now, you're going to see that there is no content. Best underscore for Mac Studio. What we can do is come back in 2 or 3 months and people are going to be asking all sorts of questions. Best monitor, best USB-C hub, best wireless mouse, best cordless mouse, best keyboard. All of these are going to be different questions that people are asking, and there's simply not a lot of content. So if you get ahead of the game and you start looking up, doing a little bit of research, and you can go over to Apple's website and figure out what is included, take a look at the tech specs, and you start putting together a list of the best monitor or the best whatever it may be, and you link out to Amazon or any other affiliate program, Best Buy, B&H Photo, any of these, you can potentially start making some money. But you can see here, I think this is an opportunity of a lifetime. Also, as I mentioned, another thing that you can do too, you could start an entire channel dedicated to Apple products. You can also come up here with different fixes. Inevitably, things are going to stop working with the customer's new Mac Studio. And if you come up with quick fixes, if you show people how to do stuff, how to update their Mac Studio, you can start building a following and making a ton of money. And just to show you that this is where everybody starts out, if we take a look at this YouTuber, he has over 15 million subscribers. We're going to look at this. He started off, if we look at his first video, he started off the exact same way, doing reviews and unboxings on products that he had around his house. But you're going to skip the line and take advantage of a trending topic. So right now we're over here, we're looking at his videos, and I just want to show you, if we look at his oldest video, his video from 13 years ago, he's talking about his golf swing, but he's also talking about this HP Pavilion DV70 Media Center remote overview. You could do the exact same thing with a Mac Studio. Now, the interesting thing is we can do Mac Studio overview like this, hit enter, and you simply, if you don't know anything about the Mac Studio, go do research, take a look and see what they're saying over here on Apple's website. You can go to a website like CNET, read, summarize, synthesize, and you can potentially start making money. And I think you could grow really fast, and you could turn this into an entire tech YouTube channel where you're making very good money. Now, just to show you how much opportunity there's out there, if we take a look at this Marquise YouTube channel, and we meet that just like that. If we go over to Social Blade, you're going to see that he is making substantial income with his YouTube channel. Now, I'm not guaranteeing you that you'll make that right off the bat, but you're going to get a head start. According to Social Blade, he's making over $117,000 per month. You could very easily start building some passive income, $100 per month, $200 per month, if you jump on this opportunity. And it's really as simple as going up to YouTube or Google and doing Mac Studio and just start talking about Mac Studio. Talk about first impressions, talk about what you learned. This is only a 7-minute video. Look at this one. This one from Apple is 1:50. You could probably use this for B-roll as well. Now that you know the different ways that you can make money with Mac Studio, click the first link in the description for my free unemployed handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.